Rice farmers in Wisconsin's worry of drying their unhusked grains during the wet season and over their bottom lines thereafter need not fret or stress anymore. A cool-looking gizmo that is a state-of-the-art multi-rice mill with the capacity to process up to 3 tons of unhusked rice or palay ensures farmer profitability on their crop yield. Our Bien Manalo tells us more on the President's Ilocos Norte visit today to unveil this godsend machinery that has rice farmers everywhere all excited.
At an early age, 62-year-old Benemerito de los Reyes was already introduced by his parents to farming. Farming is his only way to support his family and to send his children to school. But Benemerito can't help himself from worrying each day on the chances of rain, because drying rice takes longer and harder when it rains and the ground is wet. However, he said that the new rice processing center provided by the government will be a great help for rice farmers like him.
Malaking bagay po talaga may tutulong sa amin, lalo na sa mga proseso. Pagka ganitong maulan, nahihirapan po kami. Itong makina siguro na dumating sa amin, malamang ito po ay malaking bagay na makakatulong po sa amin at makakamura sa mga gastusin. Kinagagalak namin na magpapasalamat sa mahal naming Presidente. Sana po ay tuloy-tuloy po ang pagbibigay ninyo at pagtulong sa aming mga magsasaka.
Benemerito was only one of the farmer beneficiaries who attended the inauguration and turned over ceremony of the rice processing system in Barangay Ababot, Pidig, Ilocos Norte, presided on by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The new rice processing system features a state-of-the-art multi-stage rice mill with a capacity of 2 to 3 tons of rice per hour that costs 56.5 million pesos. This new farm machinery has 2 recirculating dryers with 12-ton per batch drying capacity each, worth 8.1 million pesos. Besides this, the cooperative received other farm machinery worth 6.4 million pesos. The total cost of assistance distributed by the government reached over 70 million pesos for farmer beneficiaries of Ilocos Norte. The aim of the program is to increase the yield or production of rice in the country, increase the income of farmers, and reduce rice prices in the country.
The heroes of the day are our farmers and our fishermen. Nakakatiyak kayo na hanggat maaari, lahat ng maitulong namin ay itutulong namin sa inyo dahil napakahalaga ng inyong ginagawa. Asahan ninyo ng inyong pamahalaan ay nandito kasama ninyo lahat.
This government's project was made possible in partnership with the Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization, or PhilMec, which is at the forefront of promoting the rice competitiveness and enhancement fund, or RCEP. To help ensure sustained food security in the country, the Solvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project was also inaugurated in Barangay Sapat, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. The 334 million pesos Solvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project covers over a 700-hectare service area that will provide sustainable development to over 1,000 farmers in 10 barangays in Pasukin. The SRIP features the 32 meters earth-fill dam, which is the first impounding dam in the province. The project aims to further increase agricultural production through more irrigated areas, ramp-off flood control, increased electricity supply, and a relentless promotion of tourism in the province. This project is part of the administration's efforts to diversify and develop country's water resources.
This project is a testament to Filipino mark of excellence, which has contributed significantly to our efforts in rebuilding our nation and providing a better environment for the next generations.
The project was implemented with the cooperation of the government agencies, including the National Irrigation Administration and the Department of Agriculture. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.